Howdy folks! Today we're going to learn about a really cool art tool called the color wheel. A color wheel is a circle of colors that artists use to help them remember how colors are related to each other and what happens when you mix them. You might notice that the color wheel has a full rainbow on it in perfect rainbow order. And all of the warm colors, red, orange, and yellow, are on one side, and all of the cool colors are on the other side, green, blue, and purple. So color wheels are a really smart way to organize the colors. Color wheels also help us remember how to mix colors together. Remember, the primary colors, the colors that can't be made with other colors, are red, yellow, and blue. When you mix the primary colors together, they make the secondary colors, green, orange, and purple. When you get to be an older artist, you can learn even more about how the secondary colors mix together. Here's a color wheel that shows all of that. Today, we're going to make our very own artist color wheels, but we're gonna put a fun spin on it. We're gonna make color wheel sea turtles. You will need a piece of paper, a pencil and eraser, and later, something to color with. You get to pick which way your paper goes, up and down or side to side. Once you've made that decision, draw a big circle in the middle of your paper. It helps me to practice in the air a couple of times and then get to drawing. This is going to be the sea turtle shell, so we want it to be nice and big so that we can fit the whole amazing color wheel on it. Next, pick one side of the circle you drew and add a head with a looped line like this. Double check that your head is just the right size. Now, add two eyes on each side of your turtle's head with a mini rainbow and a dot. If you want, you could add scales to your turtle's head with lines like this. Now let's add the cute little front flippers with two jelly bean shapes sticking off the shell on either side of the head. Add some cute little back flippers with loops, and then a cute little triangle at the back end for a tail. I decided to add some scales to all of my turtle's flippers. Now it's time to draw the different parts of the color wheel on the turtle's shell. We're going to include a circle in the middle for the neutral colors, and then draw 6 straight lines poking out from the circle. 6 lines. Try your best to make the lines spread out. If you have a black marker or crayon, trace or outline your drawing. It makes the picture sharper and it gives it a good pop. Now it's time to make our color wheel come alive with color. Let's start coloring by adding the primary colors first. Red is a primary color. No other colors can make it. Color in one of your top spaces in the circle all the way with red. Yellow is the second primary color. No other colors can make yellow. Skip one space next to red and color in that space yellow. Blue is our last primary color. No other colors can make blue. Skip a space next to yellow and color it in with blue. Okay, now we can add the secondary colors, the colors that are made by mixing up the primary colors. Let's start with orange. You need to mix yellow and red to make orange. So let's put orange in between yellow and red to show that when they mix together, that's what they make. Yellow and blue makes green. Green is our next secondary color. Color in the space between yellow and blue with green. Blue and red makes purple. Color in the space between red and blue with purple. In the middle circle here, we are going to fill it up with the neutral colors. The neutral colors are a color family, just like the warm and cool families. The neutral colors are black, brown, and gray. They don't make you feel warm or cool like the other color families. They make you feel neutral. Neutral means in the middle. So we're putting our neutral colors in the middle. It seems to make sense to me. Now, my darling children, you are free to color in the rest of your turtle with any old color you want. No more directions. Make sure to give your background some attention though, and some color. You could add seaweed, other fish swimming around, bubbles, anything. Awesome job today learning about the color wheel and reminding ourselves about those color families. You even got to make a color wheel all your own today. I can't wait to see it.